perfect scenarios don't exist. Flip of a switch, love gone with the wind. One day you lose your mind, next day you're crazy. Snap back to real and you can't feel a thing. It's crazy really, these thoughts make feelings. Always spinning webs, they waving. Clock keeps ticking but nothing's changing. They whisper insanity in and out my brain. Pleading for my life, begging for some kind of change. Nothing feels different. Heart that's hold me hostage, just craving some love, but these snakes fucking robbed it. Lift me off my feet, catch me in your wind. Breathless when you speak, couldn't say a thing, no. Spin my brain like a hurricane, destroying everything in your way. Spin my brain like a hurricane, destroying everything in your way. Crazy feeling when the love I'm giving is always spinning. I miss when I could daydream love. Life keeps moving, but I'm not changing. Fading insanity, I'm numb like Novocaine. Lift me off my feet, catch me in your wind. Breathless when you speak, couldn't say a thing, no. Spin my brain like a hurricane, destroying everything in your way. Spin my brain like a hurricane, destroying everything in your way.
I've been broken, not too many moments I'm open. Can't cope, I can feel it in me like an explosion. Yet now, trying to get better but can't change. I keep it inside till I can, the pain stings. Don't know why I feel like I damage the same things. Like I promised that I'm able to handle what they bring. I just gotta keep a level head. They won't get me to believe that I'd be better dead. Got a list of everything you wish you never said. But what if now it happens and I couldn't make it end? They're gonna pay, I will let you live another day. There is no escape, this is fate that you couldn't change. Even if you pray, stay awake, don't make a mistake. Nothing but a fake that'll break. All that I can say is what else can you take? Cause draw my own conscience till I can't breathe. Doesn't happen often, no control if I want it. Not too many can stop it. Is it because I'm weak? Keep it hidden, yeah I know I'm different just because I'm me. Never used to someone listening if I would ever speak. Not finished, yeah there's something missing, never been complete. Or had a hold on emotions, at very least need a piece. I can bottle up a lot before it leaks. The truth is I do this for you, not for me. I used to be foolish enough to believe that there has to be limits for what we achieve. But there isn't, only if you're in the wrong crowds. Lacking the support can bring you all down. They don't wanna see when I go all out. Just lacking the confidence, I'm all doubt, creating a fallout. know what's good or bad, I'm in the middle. Overthinking, overzealous over something simple. I think I need some independence, cause I'm in a pickle. Saying being used hit me like a missile. If you try to say that it's the truth, it was innocent. The difference is that it was never you doing anything for anyone to ever pay a due. And you know that I give everything for us to never lose. That was true, and myself can't top it. Everybody move, I need help, I've lost it. Got a mental bruise when I lose my conscience, and I will never prove to you dudes I'm not shit. I barely got feelings left to express. You don't know half the pain or half of the stress. Not too sure how to change or how to progress with regret, but it's something I couldn't ever forget. I'm used to keeping it in.